Hi students, welcome in chemistry classes. We are studying about the quantum mechanics and today's topic is very short and easy, that is acceptable wave functions. Here a question may become, we have given a graph and we have asked whether the wave function is acceptable or not. We have to find out of the four graphs which one wave function is the acceptable wave function. Okay, so we know that in the Schrodinger wave equation, we have studied about the Schrodinger wave equation, and the Schrodinger wave equation solution gave us the wave function, right? But out of these wave functions, it gives several solutions, out of which wave function will be acceptable depends upon some factors. I have told you about that in my first video of the basics of the quantum mechanics. Okay, now here again see it. Only those wave functions are acceptable which are single valued. It means at any position of x, the value of psi should be single. Okay. And the second point is that it should be continuous. The wave function should be continuous. What is meant by it? It means it should have a continuous slope. It should have a continuous slope. Okay, and the third thing is that its value should be finite. Okay, another thing is that it should be normalized. It should follow the condition of the normalization. We can normalize it. Okay, what is mean of it? It means the probability of finding the particle at any particular position should always be equal to 1. And another thing is that the partial derivatives, if we take its partial derivatives, like del psi upon del x, then it should also be finite and continuous. Okay, these are the some conditions that a wave function must follow if it is a acceptable wave function. Okay, now we will study this all is acceptable wave functions with the help of some graphs. I have made here some graphs and we have to find out which wave functions are acceptable or which are not. See here first graph. In this case you can see here on this axis, on the x-axis we have plotted the values of x, and on the y-axis we have plotted the values of psi, and which is the function of x. Okay, so for each value of x we have to see here, for value of when x is equal to 0, this is the value of the psi. This is single valued. Okay, now see here, at this point only one value is present. At this position only one value of psi is. Okay, so we can see here at each position of the x, for each value of x, psi has only one value. So it is single valued, right? And another thing, it is continuous, right? So this is a acceptable wave function. This wave function is acceptable. Okay, now see the second graph. In this case you can see here, this is the values of x and these are the values of psi, right? Now you can see this is the graph and this is discontinuous. You can see here this is a discontinuous graph. And another thing is, for when the value of x is 0, values of psi is, one value is this, another is this. It means 1 and 2 values of psi for one value of x. So it is not single valued. And it is discontinuous. So this is not a acceptable wave function. Now see this graph. Here we have shown the values of x, and on the y-axis we have shown the values of psi. Now you can see here the graph is continuous, and second thing, the values of the psi at each point of the x. For the each value of x, psi will have only one value. See here, only one value, right? No second value is here. So this is single valued, finite and continuous. So this type of the wave function is acceptable wave function. Now see, in this case also you can see here, for each value of x there is only one value of psi. So it is single valued and finite, but here the graph is discontinuous. If we take its partial derivative, then it will not be finite and continuous. So this graph is not acceptable. Okay, now see this next graph. In this graph you can see here, this is the value of x and this is the value of psi, and for we have to check here either it is single valued or not. Now you can check here at these positions when we are checking for any value of the x. At this value of the x, you can see here one value of the psi is this, another value of psi is this, and third value of psi is this. It means we are getting three different values of the psi. One this, another one this, and the third one this. For a single value of x, there are three values of the psi. So this is not single valued wave function. It is continuous, but it is not single valued, so this will not be acceptable wave function, right? In this case, now see this graph. In this case you can see the value of the psi is single valued. It is single valued, but it is going toward the infinity. This is going toward infinity, right? It is not a finite value wave function, right? So this type of the wave function is not acceptable. Okay, now see the next graph. In this graph you can see this is a discontinuous graph, okay? And secondly, at this position, at this value of the x, psi will have two values. One value is this and another value is this. So first thing, it is discontinuous, another it is not single valued, so this will not be acceptable wave function. Now see this graph. In this graph you can see here, this is a discontinuous graph, and second thing, it is not a single valued. For a value of one value of x, there are two values of the psi in this way. One value is this and another is this, right? So it is discontinuous and not single valued, so this will also not be acceptable. Alright, now see these graphs. This I have taken from the question paper of GATE 2015. We have given four different options and we have asked which wave function is acceptable wave function. Now I have told you so many graphs and you can easily understand which one will be acceptable wave function. So firstly see this case, A option. Here you can see, in this case this is discontinuous and not single valued, so this will be not acceptable. In this case you can see for one value of x, there are so many values of the psi in this way, right? So it is not a single valued wave function, so this will not be acceptable. See here, in this case the graph is not continuous, okay? So this is also not acceptable. The only acceptable wave function is this, because this is continuous and for each value of x there is only one value of psi and it is finite. So this is a acceptable wave function. So now you can easily understand how to find out an acceptable wave function with the help of graph. Thank you.